Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm Adrian, and I'm gonna show you this and this. It's like a crossbow, crossbow thingy, crossbow stapler. Which I think of it and made it right here. I'm gonna shoot the cardboard. Check this out. See it? You went through. You saw it. You went through. You saw it. See? See? Look at that. I'm gonna shoot it once again. Saw it? You guys saw it? You saw it, guys? There's like a squeaky noise. It's very annoying. It's from my neighbors. The squeaky noise. I hate it a lot. I'm gonna show you once again. Oh. Wait for it. Oh, sorry, epic fail. Yeah, you saw it. Oh, the cardboard, you saw it. You saw it, this thing. Went through. And yeah. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.